The wisdom of whispering woods. Once upon a time, nestled deep within the heart of the whispering woods, there stood a magical tree that could talk. This extraordinary tree was known for and white as a whispering oak. Legend spoke of its wisdom, and the creatures of the forest often sought its advice. In a quaint village nearby, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her curiosity and kind heart. One day, as she wandered through the woods, she stumbled upon the whispering oak. To her surprise, the tree began to speak in a gentle, soothing voice. "Welcome, Lily," the tree whispered. "I have been waiting for someone like you." Intrigued, Lily approaches the tree and thus began a friendship that would change her life. The whispering oak shared stories of ancient times, tales of courage, and lessons that learned through the ages. One day, Lily approached the tree with a heavy heart. The village faced a drought, and the once lush fields were withering away. The villagers was desperate, and Lily sought guidance for her wise friend. The whispering oak listened intently, its leaves rustling with empathy. Then it spoke. "Lily, within you lies the strength to bring change. But remember, true strength is found in unity." With newfound determination, Lily rallied the villagers together. They decided to dig a well and build a network of channels to distribute water to the fields. It was hard work, but the community pulled together, embodying the spirit of unity. As the well was completed and water flowed once more, the once dying fields flourished with life. The village was saved, and the whispering oak beamed with pride. Lily had not only learned the importance of unity, but also discovered the power within the hearts that could make a difference. Word of Lily's courage and the miraculous revival of the village spread throughout the land. People from far and wide came to visit the whispering oak, seeking its guidance. The talking tree became a symbol of hope and inspiration. And so, the legend of the whispering oak continued, reminding everyone that wisdom, courage, and unity could overcome any challenge. The tale of the lily and the talking tree became a timeless story passed down through generations, echoing through the leaves of the enchanting forest for years to come.